In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meeting Scheduler in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll have a polished scheduling page your contacts can use to book time without back-and-forth emails. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From the top navigation, open the More menu, then hover over Sales to reveal additional tools. Choose Meetings Scheduler. If HubSpot prompts you to connect your calendar, go ahead and do that so your availability is accurate. Connected calendars prevent double bookings and keep time zones aligned. On the Meetings page, click Create Scheduling Page. You'll see different meeting types. Select Group. A group scheduling page is perfect when multiple teammates need to attend the same meeting, like a panel call or onboarding session. Unlike Round Robin, where only one person attends, Group requires all selected team members to be available at the chosen time. Give the meeting an internal name. This label is only for your team, so make it descriptive and searchable, for example, including the team or use case. Next, add the event title. This is customer-facing and appears on calendar invites, so keep it clear and friendly, such as a brief description of the meeting's purpose. Then set the location. You can add a physical address or paste a standard conferencing link. If you use a conferencing integration, pick it here so the join details are added automatically. Click. Next, to move on, choose the team members who will be part of this group meeting. Remember, for group scheduling, HubSpot only shows times when everyone you select is available, so include only the people who truly need to attend. It helps to confirm their working hours and connected calendars beforehand to maximize available slots. Click Next again to set the booking experience. Add a scheduling title that appears on the public page. This helps visitors know exactly what they're booking. Then choose your duration options. You can offer one length or multiple, like 30 or 60 minutes, depending on the meeting type. Keep it simple to reduce decision fatigue. Set your availability window, including days, hours, and any rolling date range. Make sure the time zone reflects how you want times shown to bookers, typically their local time. When everything looks right, click Next, review your setup, and then select Create Scheduling Page. HubSpot will generate a shareable link and handle confirmations and calendar invites using the details you provided. Before you roll it out broadly, open the link in a private window and run a quick test booking to confirm the title, location, and durations look perfect. You can adjust any of these settings later from the Meetings tool, so iterate as your team's process evolves